Good morning, this is Mr. Mihawk. I'm here to do my virtual open house for network system cybersecurity. So a little bit about my background. I graduated Norton High School in 1985, served the United States Marine Corps Reserves from 1985 to 1991, also served in Desert Storm. Graduated from University of Akron in 1997. 1997 started working at Barbara High School to present. And also in 2009, I started teaching at the University of Akron until present. In 2011, I received my master's degree in instructional technology. So let's talk about Ethan. So this is a good video, and the resources will be at the end for the link. This is a video highlighting not only Barberton City Schools, but also the Network System Cybersecurity program. So here's the first semester of your junior year. The course is called IT Fundamentals. It's about computer, and hardware, and aligns with the certification. And we'll talk about certification towards the end. And we'll also touch on programming with Python. What I want to point out is some of the things on this page will be build, repair, upgrade personal computers, troubleshooting, virtualization and cloud computing, and operating systems, not only Windows, but many others. Second semester is Intro to Networking. It also aligns with the CompTIA A+, CCNA. We'll also touch on Python. Once again, OSI layers, important concept, IPv6, IPv4, and then testing the network with tools. Senior year, your first semester, you're going to do switching, routing, wireless essentials. Once again, you see troubleshooted highlighted, IPv4, IPv6, and vulnerabilities that compromise a LAN security. This will be your senior year. Your second semester, you'll do your employment readiness skills. You'll complete a capstone project, which is a complete simulation of the internet, which includes a 2-page essay on the OSI layers defending against cybersecurity attacks. And then you can see the advanced routing and switching you'll be doing is intervene in routing protocols, DHCP, NAT and PAT, and configure a firewall. You also do your communication skills. And you also do your career portfolio, include your cover letter, resume, thank you letter, digital portfolio, interview skills. We'll be looking for internships at that time and also studying for either your A+ certification or your Network Plus. So after 1 year, after your junior year, this is what you'll be able to do. So these are the 12 things to secure your home Wi-Fi. So the article's posted at the end of the presentation, so you can go read that article if you'd like. But I actually do this in class, and I'll do it another version during the summer also. So after your junior year, you'll be able to do all these things at home with your parents' permission. This would be the daily schedule. So people from Copley, Norton, and Wadsworth, you'll get on your bus at 7:15, 7:32, 7:20 respectively as your junior year, and then you'll be leaving Barberton at 9:21 back to your home school. And then your senior year schedule is third and fourth period at Barberton. So our daily schedule, 7:45 to 7:50. After morning announcements, we start class. 8 a.m. to 8:30, usually a lecture demonstration. And then we turn into 8:30 to 9:10, hands-on labs. And hands-on labs would be either independent, small group, large group, or one-on-one. So we try to use and access peer-to-peer learning quite a bit, and we lean on each other for our expertise. And then we 9:10 to 9:15 cleanup. So polling questions will be next. So we sent you home and said, go ahead and learn from home. Teachers, some were prepared, some were not. Some students have never did online learning. So how do you learn? So which of these or which ones of these do you learn with? So as a teacher, we can see and do that with you, but online we have to do this a little different. And then also, do you have a dedicated device to complete your online assignments? Some families had only one device per family. Do you have that quiet space for online learning? Do you know how to use time management? Did you set feasible daily goals? And also, are you interested in a summer virtual cybersecurity camp? So you can see here, these are former students and where they're working. I have 3 at Progressive, 3 at Cisco. So skip the page. Let's go back. So there's the first page of all the former students. And here's the second page. During college credit, there's 2 approaches. You either get a 21 on your ACT, or you can pass certifications through CompTIA A+, and Network Plus. Students can earn up to 15 credit hours, but our typical student will receive 3 to 6. So here's the career pathways. These are real students. So we have Ethan, who only wants to go to college. He earned 6 credits for his ACT score, and he goes to college full time. James, he only wanted to get a job. So he earned a certification, and he got an employment out of high school. Then James's aunt got him an interview with the FBI. James has currently got a full ride scholarship to the University of West Virginia, and he's working for the government contractor who works for the FBI. So sometimes you fall into things and sometimes they fall into you. And then we have Samantha who wants to work and go to college. She earns college credit either through her ACT score or certification. And then she was hired out of high school and she's currently attending her university. So these are the degree programs at the University of Akron. You can have 2 tracks for associate, and then the 2 bachelor degree programs that my students typically choose are the cybersecurity option and the networking option. And I teach 4 college courses at University of Akron. So these go back to the questions that we just did. So I collected that data and I'll use that for my instruction. Here's the resources for the links, the practices for online teaching and learning, the story about Ethan and Barberton City Schools, and then also how to enhance your home wireless. So here's my contact information. So if you need to reach me, you can reach me here. And that's going to conclude the presentation.